Hi, I'm Dwayne from DEKOR, and today we're going to show you how simple it is to put some lights on a dock. We're in sunny Florida right now, and several of the docks around this one already have our DEKOR lights on them. DEKOR has been known for deck lighting, but we've been doing docks for over 10 years. In fact, some of the most respected dock lighting companies in the US use our product exclusively. We're going to show you how simple it is, and at the end, we're going to show you how well it pops. Today we're going to be installing two different DEKOR lights. One is the Sotile up-down light. That is going to go on each one of the piers, and then also the Sapphire. We're going to install that in between the piers just to dress it up, and then more of a safety light than anything else, but it's got a gorgeous look to it. These are going to stand the test of time. We've got die-cast parts and then polycarbonate. So you're not going to see any crazing or clouding of the plastic. It's just well built. So what makes a project easy and consistent is jigs and fixtures. So first thing you do is figure out the height that you want your light. We came out last night, fired up one of the lights, figured out the height that I wanted. So I cut a board and I'm going to mark it off where that height is. Going to drill it with a 7/8 paddle bit. That's it, 1/2 inch deep. Then I'm going to use a little chisel for the wire so it doesn't get pinched. Cut a V. And then install the 2 screws. And that's pretty much it. Done. So the DEKOR Sapphire products is probably one of our easiest products to install. So we're going to mark it here. Then we're going to turn the tape around, make sure it's going to make sense, and it is. So now we have exactly where we're going to drill the hole. And again, I'm going to come in 4.5 inches. It just takes a drill bit, 7/8 paddle bit, Forstner bit, whatever you want to use. And it's a through hole where we're going to fish the wire through. That's it. Pier spacing, not an exact science. Instead of this one being in the middle of these 2 piers, I'm going to choose to have it on the same board, same location as the opposite side. That way you've got symmetry going down, and it looks much better than staggering it in between the piers and offsetting the lights. Feed the cable down. We'll come back and do the terminations underneath, secure the wires. And then the last thing we'll do is silicone them. But you can see on the board, everything is lining up. So it's going to look very symmetrical as you walk down it versus the lights being staggered. Probably the biggest challenge you have on any lighting project is how do I hide the wires? So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole through the decking material. This is the sleeving material DEKOR sells to hide the wires, makes it really clean. So all we're going to do is cut where it ends just below the light. Fish the connector through it, like so. Then we're going to fish the wire down through the hole that we just drilled. Grab it from underneath, snug it up, and that's a clean look. That's what we're going for. So once we've got the plastic railway in place, we're going to secure it with these plastic C-clamps, one on top, one on the bottom, and there is your finished look. So we wanted to spend some time with you on the wiring of your projects. knowing that each project is different. So we've got a little mock-up here of the two scenarios for wiring, and both we used underneath this project. So in one, we've got what we call our 6-port connector. Got power coming in, power coming out, and you can feed up to 4 lights with it. So in that case, you're on one circuit and you want to dim it, time it, that's what you're going to use. The other way to do it, if you're going to have just a simple circuit, one series of lights, we use our T-splitter. T-splitter is power in, power out, and then the last leg goes to the light itself, and that's how it works. It's that simple. And then what we did on this project is everything is tucked up neat underneath the deck. We've got a combination of P-clamps and wire ties, and everything is sight unseen. Here we are at the end of the project, and we're going to go over the controls for the lights. So what we've got here is our DEKOR easy enclosure. We've got one controller for the sapphire lights, which are the ones in the tread, and then I've got another controller for the Satili lights, which are on the piers. So I have the ability to dim, schedule everything independently. It's all Wi-Fi driven. The range is up to 250 feet. So this is how we're going to control the lights. How about that? Project completed, pretty much what we expected. Day and a half, lights are installed, cables are all run. It just went together so simple. And you know, that's what you're getting with the DEKOR products. You're getting simplicity, you're getting quality, you're going to get a product that stands the test of time. This is going to look phenomenal. I can't stress enough how simple lighting your dock is going to be with DEKOR products.